Alright, so starting a couple of days ago, my wife and I noticed that when we were doing the washing machine was overflowing. Specifically, the drain line out of the washing machine was overflowing and making a ginormous mess in our garage where the washer and dryer are located. And there it goes, spilling all over the floor, making a big giant puddle on the floor. And not only is it messy, but it's dangerous. You don't want to be standing around electrical appliances. So off to the nearest home improvement superstore I went to go pick up some ABS piping, a couple of adapters, some plastic tubing, some plumber's adhesive, a couple of clamps which came with the rubber flex adapter, all of which you see pictured here. And all of these parts cost under $100, so not terribly expensive. And I'm going to show you how I assembled everything to fix our drain problem. Alright, so the first thing I did is I took the ABS adapter, that is the ABS 4-inch to 2-inch adapter, and drilled a hole in the angled side of it for the CPVC item you see right there. And you can see it's going to fit right into that hole there. I'll put some plumber's adhesive on it and just pop it in there like so. And that'll create a nice seal, and that'll lead out to the plastic tubing to drain the excess water out. And you can see it's sitting in there quite nicely. Once you tighten up those clamps, those steel clamps, they make a real tight seal. Okay, next you want to take the ABS pipe, that is the 2-foot long pipe, and cut a section out so that the drain hose from the washing machine can slide into it. And what I did was I took a table saw and I cut 2 lengths down, about halfway down into the pipe, and then I cut a 3rd length perpendicular to those 2 lengths, and you can see that takes out that section to allow room for the drain pipe. I just wanted to touch on this. I made the mistake of using this pipe thread sealant earlier on this CPVC tubing piece. That's the wrong adhesive. You want to use OATEY, clear PVC ABS adhesive. And there it is right there. That makes a much better seal. And you want to use it also to cement the ABS adapter to the pipe right there. You can see I've got a pretty good layer going there. And that makes a watertight seal. Don't use the pipe thread sealant like I mistakenly used. And here is the rubber flex adapter that fits over the ABS adapter. And it's all clamped up, making a watertight seal. Alright, so the last step is to slide the entire assembly over the existing washing machine drain pipe, which you see pictured in the middle there. It's a cast iron drain pipe, 1.5 inches wide. The whole assembly slides over that quite nicely, and then of course you want to seal off the clamp at the bottom. And here we go, here's the moment of truth. You can see the overflow, but this time it's being captured by my assembly, and out through the plastic tubing the overflow goes, and not a drop goes on the floor. That's a beautiful thing. Dry as a bone there. Get you in close there so you can really inspect it, and you can see there's no moisture at all going onto the floor, so that's good. And what I did was I just let this tubing drain out to a plastic tub that I've got on the garage floor. And you can see, you know, the drain pipe, the existing drain pipe, collects most of the overflow as it should, but not all of it. And here we go. We're going out to a tub. Excuse my sandals and socks there. I got my feet wet earlier when I was doing this. And you can see, yeah, it's a disgusting looking tub, but you can see how much water is collected from just one load of washing. Quite a bit of moisture. You don't want that going on your floor. So I hope this gives you some ideas on how to fix your washing machine drain problems. If it did, please subscribe to my channel, and I've got plenty of other DIY hacks for you to watch. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.